Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add block on Twitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if you are using your Twitch application and getting ads, there might not be any possible solution. But if you are using Twitch into any of your browser and getting ads into there, you can use Twitch TV into any incognito mode, or you can use the ad blocking browsers such as Brave and Opera GX. And then your ads will be blocked there. But Google Chrome might not always be effective in order to block ads. So I'll suggest some other browsers that uses adblock feature in default. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.